Welcome to today's edition of the OpEx Minute, presented by EMS Consulting Group. Today we will be talking about extended value stream analysis. In a previous OpEx Minute, we talked about value stream mapping. Today we are talking about extending value stream mapping to an entire supply chain that includes suppliers and potentially customers as well. Extended value stream mapping is something you would do after successfully transforming your internal value streams. After doing this, great benefit can be gained by extending the improvement to external partners. How is this done? Extended value stream maps are higher level than standard door-to-door maps. Door-to-door maps are within one facility. Extended maps are multiple facilities. In order to do an extended map, you need to invite suppliers and potentially customers to participate, depending on the scope to your mapping exercise. Each process box on an extended map is typically an entire facility rather than just one process within a facility. At this level, we are also looking to reduce the overall value stream lead time, and this is accomplished by looking at the internal lead times of each facility, transportation times between the facilities, and of course, information flow and its effects. Very often, aha moments occur because prior to such a mapping activity, the value stream participants are not typically aware of what each other are doing. This exercise exposes the waste and allows for collaboration that would not otherwise happen. If you have an interest in learning more about extended value stream mapping, visit our website at www.emsstrategies.com and contact us. We would be happy to help.